Imagine you make from 11,000 to 50,000 every single week for using an app that pays you for walking. Hello, my name is Sylverline and Achese, and in this video, I am going to be introducing to you an app I have used, a community member have used, and at the end of the day, we all had great testimonials, good reviews about this app, and how you too can start making money from it in 2026. If you're just coming across my page, my post, or my channel on YouTube for the first time, I am pleased to meet you and you're welcome to this community. In this community, we share opportunities with people. So what I do is I search for opportunities, I try it, and when I get results, I bring it out so others can try. The good part, all these are completely free of charge. You don't need registration fee, you don't need experience, you don't need exposure, you don't even need big followers. You just need data, internet, and access to a smartphone. So if you have all these I just mentioned and you're ready to make money, then I have a community of over 6,000 users that are not paying any monthly subscription. You join for free, you get access to these opportunities for free, you make your money, and you sort your bills. So follow me on Facebook. If you're seeing this video on Facebook, click on the subscribe button to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the comment section to run and comment thank you for showing you this update. Now let's proceed. Before I talk more about this app, I'm going to show you how much I've made from it so that you will believe that this app is actually real. This is how much I have made from this app. I started this year. I started in February, and somehow I actually wasn't even taking this app seriously. Not until I made my first 11,000, then my second, then my third, and my fourth. So let's count. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 77,000 naira for just walking with my smartphone. Okay, so I walk, and this app is able to track my movement and then convert like my sweats to cash. Also, you invite friends, and they also give you commissions for every friend you invite. So what is this app and how do you use this app? This app is actually owned by the Chinese body, a Chinese company that helps users to get rewarded for walking. So for every time you take a step, this app is converting your steps and making it cash for you to withdraw when it gets to the minimum withdrawal. Minimum withdrawal for Nigerians is 11,000 naira. So you don't need PayPal to withdraw. You only need your local bank, and when it is 11,000 naira, you'll be able to withdraw. But like I said, you need to invite your friends so that you will also help your friends to earn. Now, I see no reason why you will feel so bad to invite your friends. See this as an opportunity to empower someone else. The same way I'm telling it to you for free is the same way you're supposed to tell it to someone for free. And at the end of the day, if the person gets reward, the person is definitely going to show gratitude to you, because this person doesn't even need a skill, especially for those youth that have no skills. The person doesn't need a skill to even earn from this app. So how do you use this app? There's a daily reward tax for signing in, and this is a sign-in reward. I have not signed in for today, so let's show you. So when you come here, you are first of all going to click on sign in before any other tax will be assessed. So when you sign in, you can see that these are the highest ranked for this week. These are the highest ranked for this week. And then you're going to see this tax. You have to do it. You're also going to see this treasure box. You need to open it to do the tax that is going to enable you to open it. Then if you want to invite your friends, you can come to mine. And you're going to see the invite friends option. Click on it to get your unique invitation code to invite all your friends. During registration, you're going to be asked to use either your Facebook or your Google. I advise to use your Facebook because it is going to give you more bonus. But if you don't have a Facebook account, there's no problem. You can go ahead and use your Google account, and you're still going to get a welcome bonus. Registration is completely free. Everything on this app is free, but you need to invite your friends. And wherever you are doing the tax, you will be asked to watch some ads. Don't get angry or don't get annoyed, because the ads is where they generate revenue to pay you and I. So skipping the ads is going to also make them lose money from your end. So let me show you how I'm going to place a withdrawal of 11,000 naira to my local bank. So I have 15 million coins already, and the minimum coins to withdraw is 9.68, and I have 15 million, and I can withdraw now or I can leave it. So if I get 10 more million, I am also going to be able to withdraw 25,000 naira, which is going to be over 22 million. All right, so let me place a withdrawal. So I'll come here, I put the bar. So if I had 25,000 naira, I'm going to put the bar on 25, but since I have 11, I put the bar on 11, and I'm going to click on withdraw. Before now, I've already added my bank details here. I'm using Achese Bank PLC for those of us in Nigeria, so you can use Achese, Zenith, UBA, and other commercial banks. No microfinance bank is accepted. Then I'm going to click on withdraw. So let me click on withdraw and proceed. So I've clicked on withdraw and I've clicked on proceed, and this is what it is showing me. Expected to arrive within 1 to 7 business days. Before now, it used to be 24 hours. But recently, I realized that in 5 to 10 minutes after you withdraw, the money is going to be deposited into your local bank. So let's wait for 5 to 10 minutes and then check my local bank if the money is going to drop by that time. So this is the money I just withdrew, and as said, it only took few minutes and the money was paid directly to my local bank. So if you need opportunities like this, whether you have skills or not, you just need something that will give you extra income, then you should follow this page on Facebook, subscribe to the YouTube channel so you don't miss opportunities like this. Don't forget to turn on my notifications. So whenever I make posts like this, Facebook is also going to remind and notify you that I just made a post. I also have a community where you can join. So join this community, like this video, share to others, comment on this video so YouTube can help this video get to more people, and Facebook can also help this video get to more people. My name is Sylverline and Achese. Till I come your way next time. Thank you for watching this video to the end. See you on my next video.